first step in our process of meeting a new client is to meet with them on their specific site. And we have the capability of finding lots and different land across western North Carolina that we can assist them with the purchase of. And that's one avenue. And the other avenue is that they've already purchased their land or lot. So it's very important at the very first meeting that we are at the site and understand the topography so that the lot really does suit the home.
Well, the types of homes that we build vary with the customer, whether it be a vacation home, primary home, in just about any size, shape, or form.
Our customer base has primarily been second home oriented properties or developments, but in fact a lot of folks end up building what they think is a second home. They love the area so much it becomes quickly their primary home. Sometimes they're one of a kind. We have done developments where we've had multiple variations of plans. There's not a specific type of home that we build. We build what our customers want.
We have a very nicely appointed master bath, and one of the unique features of this bath that we are very happy about is we actually were able to, before the process ever started, we were able to work with our plumber and our tile guy and the architect to work out that all the plumbing fittings and valves are exactly centered either in a grout joint or within a tile, including the head and even the steam unit below. So it takes a lot of infrastructure work and a lot of good help by all of our subcontractors and the people we work with to be able to pull something like that off, just because there's so many trades involved prior to it ever ending up in the position that it is now.
Paul Lundquist, who's a local iron worker, came up with the idea of using these brass caps to this clevis. And this clevis is what is holding down the rail. That's what attaches the rail to the metal rail. Of course, this will be stained and this will get a coat of paint, but this is also a green and green architectural feature where they use these clevises as mechanical fasteners instead of nails.
So here's another home that we have under construction, and right now we're in the upfit of all the exterior finishes, from the siding and exterior window and door trim to all the exterior brick and rock stucco work. So here's the same home under construction. We're right at, again, the dry-in phase. We're able to begin rough mechanicals. The studs are completely in place for all the interior framing. We have the ductwork ready for all the HVAC equipment, and are at the final stretch on all of our plumbing assemblies. Also at this stage of construction, we make sure with all of our casework providers that we're able to come in and lay out the cabinets on the floor so that we're able to see just how the cabinets are going to be and able to exactly position, again, the HVAC ducts and then the drain lines for the kitchen sink. And in the interior of the home right now, at the framing and rough-in process, to try to keep the stair a little more open and to span the length we have, we'll incorporate different features. And in this case, we had to do an actual steel girder in place just to be able to maintain the openness and the feel that the owners wanted. So it's kind of a unique feature just in the structure of the home. Right now, we're continuing with rough-in on the electrical side, preparing for another walkthrough with the owners. Time to see all the can light placement and ductwork placement upstairs in this home. We found that one of the features that separate us from our competition is really in the Energy Star and green building practices and sustainable building practices that we've brought into our company over the last 10 to 12 years. Tyner Construction utilizes many high standards of construction, from Energy Star certified homes to North Carolina Healthy Built homes, to our own in-house checklists and processes. We've strived to create the most energy efficient and sustainable, well-crafted home that we can build. We found that when we bring different features such as open cell insulation, geothermal heat pumps, photovoltaic cells on the roof, solar hot water, any number of those things, they have a certain upfront cost, but they generally have a good payback for the client at the end, and also helps reduce their carbon footprint.
The materials that we use in homes oftentimes is a product of the design of the home itself. Whether it's rock work on the exterior, cedar siding or shingles, or some exotic wood on the exterior, we are constantly using very durable materials. We've always felt that using the best quality material will get the best result. The end product is most important, and if you have a good quality product behind what you see, then you have a good quality result.
Before our clients move into their new home, it is immaculately cleaned inside and out, windows to wood floors. Everything's just totally clean and ready for them to move into. And we're very proud of that, and our clients love to be able to move into a totally clean environment to begin living and enjoying their new home. The facets of our warranty that we try to implement into every home that we do actually takes place in the checklists and the different things that we do throughout the building process to try and limit the callbacks so that our warranty, while we're going to be here for you this year and 10 years to come, we're able to cut down on the amount of callbacks and warranty work that we have to do.
We always tell our managers and all of our guys, don't take shortcuts. Let's bring the best possible result every time.